And here we go. Damn, what's wrong with my chat? Wait a minute, wait a minute. Hello, Faris, hello, wait a minute, wait a minute. I have to fix that. I swear I'm not a stalker. Bonjour, bonjour. Wait a minute, what's wrong? Oh, I see what's wrong. Wait a minute. How do I fix that? The chat is photo 3. Yeah, it is, wait a minute. Okay, first, please remember. 540 to 200. 540 to 200, okay? 540 to 200. Right? 540 200. What the? It didn't help. Wait a minute. Okay, okay. Okay. Right, so I got like HTML is basically HTML. And like viewport is 360 to 504, which is not right. If I go to transform, right, transform. It's 540 to 200, which should work. Let's reset transform. And go that way. So with 540. Okay, it works. 200. Okay, now it works, it was so weird. Damn. Okay, I'm ready, I guess I'm ready. Never mind. Oh yeah, I'm ready. You tried to plug the keyboard? I got a trauma. Not gonna lie. I'm literally about to die. Mentally. Also probably physically. Anyway. Anyway, Forrest, why are you here? It's like we are 2 minutes into the stream. What are you doing here? Like, usually at this point I'm just like talking what I've done, what I'm gonna do, and I like just do nothing. Let's talk about how I'm here 27 seconds in. Do you ask me? Like, that's like, answer, I need answers. Like, I glad you know what is gonna be my next question, but can you answer? Also, I've changed the stream layout, right? And I'm not sure, like, it's more simple, right? I'll probably not use what's it called, keyboard camera anymore, because it's kinda, honestly, it's kinda tedious to set up it every time, right? Because I'm basically using my phone, I have to like connect it, it's like, I don't like it. Plus, it takes more resources for my laptop to process all the video inputs, and my laptop is like dying quite often. Left a call with some friends, tried to watch YouTube real quick, nothing cool, then watch Twitch and saw XM. Damn, that's some really shit synchronization, like you... Like, get this, how's it called? How's it called? Like, some animals transmit them, right, to communicate. Nerve attraction, Okay, I see. I see. No, this was rough. Okay. So yeah, I changed my stream layout and I'm not sure if it's good, right? Like, it's more simple. The problem is, like, if I'll increase to default 200 scale I'm using, you can see it's like the corner is behind my camera. Which is like, I don't know. But at the same time, like, going that way, it feels, I don't know, kinda uncomfortable. Like when everything is on the left. It doesn't look good to me. What are you thinking first? What should I do? I also was thinking about making, like... fully like white horizontal format, but it's gonna be difficult. I've already done it once. Yeah, just like that, right? There are several problems, however. Like, I'll have to scale down the screen, which means decrease resolution, which means worse text clarity, right? Which ain't great, considering I'm like programming full time. On the other hand, I can fix it by increasing resolution to 2K, but A, it means it's gonna be more difficult. Actually, it won't. Will it be more difficult for my laptop to process? I'll avoid downscale, right? Oh no, I will not. No, I will not. Yeah, so it's gonna be difficult to process, plus you can choose video quality on my streams for now. So I'm not sure. But this layout looks really good. Okay, I copied everything. I'm curious, how am I gonna do profile pictures? What is the best way to implement pictures in my current app? They changed the UI? Interesting. Also, I've been thinking about writing my JavaScript framework. Maybe I'm getting ill. HTML lit. So there is this library called HTML. Wait, lit. It's lit HTML. Yeah. What is this? It's basically like template system, right? It's a cool thing. I can use it instead of virtual DOM. So right now I'm using HyperApp, which is like really simple library. 1 kilobyte size. And it's pretty good. However, the problem is it uses virtual DOM, which also means I have always like to agree with the central states that I want to change them. Because if I'll not, central state will just not detect that there is something has been changed. Because like virtual DOM is the source of truth and it will just override it on the next redraw, right? And sometimes I feel like maybe that's not what I should do, but sometimes I feel like I need to do like DOM injection, right? Some encapsulated logic. What's the structure of your peakstreak? Not AVS, come on. The best and most scalable way to implement profile pictures is dedicated cloud object store. Nah. Are there any other suggestions? Part 2 frontend? No. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to use any cloud providers. No, it feels so good, not gonna lie. Given your containerized setup with a stateless, distroless image, this requires careful handling data persistence using Docker volumes. High-level plan. File storage. Upload images will be saved to a directory on the host machine that is mounted into the Docker container as volume. Fuck, that sounds terrible. First, what would you do in the current situation? This ensures the files persist even if the container is restarted or replaced. Okay, we can go other URL field to the users, create new API endpoint, create file server route uploads, frontend TypeScript. The frontend will remain largely the same as the cloud provider solution. It will upload the image and see the URL provided by the backend to display it. Backend implementation going to scale. that implementation. Actually, you know what? Okay, I think it's enough. I'm not curious about lead HTML right now, honestly. Template the content template element. The template HTML element serves as a mechanism for holding HTML fragments, which can easily be used later via JavaScript or generated immediately into Shadow DOM. Wait. Full documentation is available. Templates are lets you write HTML templates in JavaScript with template libraries. Wait, there is such thing as template in HTML? Wait a minute. The element includes the global attributes. Shadow root mode creates a shadow root for the parent element. It is declarative version of the shadow method. What the hell is that? Is it React in browser? Built in? Enumerated values. Open. Exposes the internal shadow root DOM for JavaScript, recommended for most use cases. Closed. Hides the internal shadow root DOM from JavaScript. Note the HTML parser creates a shadow root object. I do not understand a single thing. Shadow root clonable, shadow root delegates focus, shadow root. It knows this element has no permitted content because everything nested inside in the HTML source doesn't actually become the children of the template element. The node.child nodes property of the template element is always empty, and you can only access said nested content by special content property. However, if you call node append child or similar method on the template element, then you would be inserting children into the template element itself, which is foolish. Wow, this shit is wild. Close the shadow DOM. Wow. Create element template. So it's basically virtual DOM but built in, isn't it? Wait. Wait. Could you please explain to me HTML templates? HTML template tag, I guess, is gonna be more precise. Oh, it's wait. HTML templates. Okay, doesn't matter. What do we got here? Okay, still things. HTML template tag is a powerful tool for creating reusable HTML fragments that are not immediately rendered by the browser. Instead, they can be used by JavaScript to dynamically generate content on a web page. This makes it an efficient way to build dynamic and interactive web applications. This is a key characteristic of the template tag. Hidden by default, the content within the template tag is inert and not displayed when the page loads. This means any HTML, CSS, or JavaScript inside this template will not be active until it's explicitly cloned and inserted into the main document. So that means like parsers can read it, right? Like Google search can read it. That's interesting. Okay, we're still going. Interesting. Valid HTML structure is a browser's parser which checks the syntax of HTML within the template tag, ensuring it is well formatted. This is an advantage over storing HTML as strings in JavaScript, where syntax errors might not be caught until runtime. Reusable blueprint. The primary purpose of the template tag is to serve as a blueprint for creating new DOM elements. You can define a structure once and then use JavaScript to create multiple copies of it, populating each with different data. Content accessibility via JavaScript. The content of template tag is accessible through its content property, which returns a document fragment. This document fragment can then be cloned and added to the document object model. Wow. Define template. User card template. User card. User avatar. User name. User email. Get element by ID. Template. Template content. Clone not. True. Populate cloned content with data. Query selector. But can't you do the same thing with like any tag? Or is it just because it's not gonna be rendered? That's the point, right? Okay. It helps you keep HTML structure separate from JavaScript logic, leading to cleaner and more maintainable code. I'm not sure about this one. Improve performance. Because the content is inert until needed, the browser doesn't have to process and render it on the initial page load, which can improve performance. Reduce errors by defining the HTML structures. Yeah. To apply these changes, remember to run make migrate up to apply the database migration. Now your peakstreak application is equipped with custom profile picture functionality. Let's read it. Wow, that's a whole lot of changes. Okay, I will add custom profile picture logic to your peakstreak application. This will involve modifications across the backend, frontend, and database, enabling user to upload and display the avatars without relying on an external cloud provider. Here's a summary of the changes I will be implementing. Backend changes. Database migration and avatar URL column will be added to the users table. File storage and new uploads avatars directly will be created at the project root to store uploaded images. Yep. Good. That's like the way I wanted it to do, and it's gonna serve it, right? API endpoints. A new authenticated endpoint post API profile avatar will handle image uploads. A new static file server will be configured to serve images from uploads. Domain and service logic. The application logic will be updated to handle avatar URL storage, retrieval, and inclusion in API responses. Okay, frontend changes. Profile picture display, yeah. Upload UI, yeah. State management, yeah. Okay. Git ignore. I'll add upload directory to, okay. Shift H. Here we go. Up. Wait, where is down? Wait. It's kind of weird. Oh, here's the. Wait. Do we have comment? Wait. Oh, I see. It failed to format it properly. Okay. Migrations. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. Avatars. .app.sql. Where am I? Can I yank it and paste it? Wait. I can't, I guess. Okay, this one. But why there is like alter table users at column alter URL text? Okay, makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. Albeit user service. Okay. Wait, it like failed everything. Fuck, that sucks. Anyway. Domain models. What is this music? Paste? Okay. Why is it pointer? Why is it pointer? Wait. Oh, it's because it's optional? There's a reason. Postgres. Okay, change something here. Oh, it added avatar URL, yep. Update user avatar. Mm-hmm. Basic error. Image size exceeded the 5 megabyte limit. It's so good. But I want it to be less. Can I inject it here? In compile time? Probably not. So this size exceeded the limit. Actually, like, I see no problems with that. Also, why const and not capital? FMT, fprint. Max avatar size. Valid argument. String doesn't implement IO writer. Oh. Wait a minute. No, actually. It's gonna be decimal. Fuck. Like I have to create another variable here, like damn, let it just be another, let it just be that way. See the limit. 2 megabytes. This one's ridiculous. Const kb equals const md equals kb 2 multiplied md. Looks good to me. No, it's at least readable. Update user avatar. Wait, generate unique file name. Like these comments are so weird. Fail to create avatar directory. Error friendly path. OS mod perm. Make your all avatar paths. Okay, yeah. It's const. Okay. Copy the uploaded file's content to the destination file. Okay. Update user records in database. Attempt to remove the file if db update fail. Good. Also, I have to do is that if user already have how do I say it? If user already have profile set it, right, and they upload another profile, the previous one should be deleted from the server. Handlers.go. Wait. Are these all handlers? Or have I skipped something? Yeah, it's all handlers. Oh, the same thing here. It's the same thing here. Can I just? Service. Yeah. Service dot. Parse multiple form. Max avatar size. R parse multiple part form. Parse multi-part form parses a request body as multi-part from data. The whole request body is parsed and up to total of max memory bytes of its file. Oh. Oh. Good. Validate file type. Okay. JPEG PNG. I mean, I can also take WebP. WebP. And WebP. Okay. Then my eyes hurt. They hurt. Yeah, it's not without S. Handlers. And I have no idea why. Like I'm clipping off often enough. Routes. Fuck this formatting. Come on, man. Let's go that way. Internal API roads. Okay. Upload profile avatar. File server conveniently sets up a file server handler to serve static files from HTTP file system. Doesn't permit any URL parameters. Okay. Okay, let's just pretend that it's gonna work. For now. API TS. Let's have nice formatting here. No, it will not. What the hell is that? How do I... Wait. TypeScript, oh. Oh, I got Google search, that's insane. That's actually the reason why everything's fucked. Okay, let's... Actually, you know, let's rerun it. Or should I? Fuck. What it was searching for, GitHub? My bad. My bad. Let's undo here everything. Okay, now everything should just work, yeah. Okay, it's pretty much the same, right? Yeah, literally the same. Component. Okay, it starts from frontend. Doesn't matter. Avatar TS. Oh, actually, it explains how it's gonna do it. Add logic for custom profile pictures. This involves backend changes to handle file uploads and database updates, and frontend changes to display the avatar and provide an upload interface. This solution will store images on the local file system of the server without relying on any cloud providers. Okay. Components. Avatar. Image div. Okay. Okay. LSP timeout, wow. Right. Damn, TypeScript is so slow. Was it TypeScript? On LSP timeout. .nv.example. What do I add here? GVT secret. A super secret key for production. Wait, I already had one. Didn't I? Wait. GVT expires in. Upload here, uploads. Okay, let's just do it that way. Modified files. Git ignore. Okay, for some reason. Okay. How to apply this? Why CLI? Git apply. Can I just like paste it? Oh, actually, wait. Can I pipe? Yeah, I can. Git diff. Wait, no, I can't. Wait. Git apply. Okay. Let's try it out. Actually, let's try it out. So I go here. The smallest one, which is git ignore. Yep. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do echo, paste it in, pipe. Oh, wait. Echo, quotes, pipe, git apply. It worked. Nice. Nice. Actually nice. Docker file. Echo. Git apply. Oh, pipe. I forget about pipe, yep. Corrupt page at line 16. Line 16. Let's see what it does. Oh. Is it run commit format or is it okay? Plus. Should there be? Okay. Go enabled 0, just like that. Copy. Let's go here, just like that. Volume. Uploads on command if you want to persist uploads outside the container. If you want to persist uploads outside the container. Do I want? Probably not. May not go. Let's check this one, it should work. Echo. Pipe. Git. Apply. Patch failed. Okay, let's do it manually. Where do I get CMD? API? Where did it go? File path. Okay, did we pull close? Yeah, it's here. Then I'm gonna do like that. Upload dir. Config. Oh, it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be added next. Please just work. Icon. Actually, should I? New.div. Right. Wow, there's some great syntax highlight actually. Git apply new.div. Okay, it just works. It just works. That's great. Let's stop it for now actually. API, it was API, right? Yep. Sidebar. Really in white space. Warning, one line, add space errors. It's okay. Here? It's okay. Sidebar, here. This will always pop up. Damn, that feels weird. Okay, does it works? Stated yes. Error corrupt page at line 24. Stated yes. Nothing changed, that's nice. So what do we have here? Line 69. Sweet. How do you do that? Yeah, just like that. Wait, return state profile data. Wait, where is that at habit? Oh, here it is. It's 76. Wait. Why? Oh, that might be. Or is it the. Okay. Oh. Other URL is gonna be fixed soon. I hope. 226. Login effects. Damn, it's not even close. Okay. File view. And this auto changes, hope it will just work. Actually, I'm kinda afraid. So it failed on those divs. I had to manually enter. What's the chance that all the other divs are failed too? Future logic without using any cloud provider. Using local storage server storage. Okay, I can just run it and hope that it will not use this. I feel like I want to ask it to not use this, but also I feel like it might degrade the performance. I'm in the dome. I'm in the shadow dome. Whoa. That's kind of funny. Oh, it was, for a second, it was truly Shadow Dome. Not gonna lie. Yeah, just like that. Nice, I got files, nice. I just thought about it. What if, like, if I ask to make this, I see there's a chance that LLM will just like, it can't count the line, right? Like, they just don't know the line. They can get approximation, but they seem to fail often. What if, in the input, I like manually add the number of line before each line and tell that LLM that like each line is numbered, but it's like not the part of code and don't use it in the final code. Will it confuse LLM or will it help it? Actually, let's start editing it. Come on. Keep going. File picture URL. Okay, let's do it that way. I don't actually care. Profile picture URL. Let's be consistent. Okay, they are not consistent. What the hell is avatar.t? Okay. SRC, views, components. Come on, just. Okay, it was tough. Wait, doesn't Gemini UI kills my PC again? Can I see? Wait. Have I just leaked something? Wait, have I just... I hope I didn't. Quick QR code for this page. Okay, probably leak this shot, but that's... Where am I? Fuck. Okay, I don't feel really great.